Good day everyone, this is at Cozy Online here. You can follow me on Twitter just to get details and updates about what's going on this channel. Also at Cozy Online, turn on my notifications just to gain followers for your Twitter handle if you are interested in that. Welcome to Saturday's Android apps. Today we're just gonna be launching this build number tab that I've been tweeting about throughout this week on Twitter at Cozy Online. So if you are interested in being an Android developer, you might as well just wanna stick around. Let's get down to how to become an Android developer. Okay, after watching this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down there so that you get notified every time we post something valuable that you would like. So let's get down to this Android app. What you're gonna do is just that we're gonna go to the settings function of your Android. By the way, I'm using this Android version 4.1. As you can see, this is the lighter version of it. So if you have any similar devices just like this one, it's easy gonna be to connect. So now we'll go to the settings part of your cell phone. It's gonna look like this. So now at the settings section, you can see that it says now about the Android phone. So we're gonna go to the Android version. By the way, I'm using Android version 5.1. So if you want to check out some other things which are listed in there, you might as well just go and check that one out. After Android version, so we're just gonna go to this build number. The build number is where we start our Android development there. Our Android development, we just have to tap on this build number a few couple of times, then the option of Android is gonna appear there so that you can become an Android developer. So let's just see how does this one work. Okay, like after I've tapped on the developers build number, okay, the build number there. After I tapped there, I just found out that this build number is no longer working. So you're just gonna have to tap into another one and just check out what's going on about this. Okay, so now we are back on this one. We've got the developer options. I know that most people, they don't seem to have it on their phone, but this is what you're going to have. The developer options, whereby you can see that it's written there above about phone. So it's the developers option where you can tap on that tab. Okay, after tapping on there's few customizations that you can do into your Android device, especially those ones which are concerning the animation skill and opening of windows of some other phones, because I know that some other phones, especially when it gets older, the animation skill for opening windows, it takes long, and you have got this type of to stay awake. If you just want to your screen to stay awake all the time, you can tap on the screen and do some other things. Okay, we've just gone into the developer options. I'm just checking out on the option menus that you can find on these developing tools after tapping on the build number of your Android device. So we've got some other functionalities that you can customize, like this one of wireless display certification. So if you want to adjust the wireless certification display there. You can also tap on this one. So we're gonna go to this one of like input. So if you want to change the input or on your screen touches, so sometimes it shows touch, sometimes it doesn't. So you can customize it just so that it should show those touches on your screen. The other one is pointer location. The pointer location, it surfaces after you make it on. The other one is, which is some of the important features of this developer option, is the window animation scale. So if you tap on that, you can see that on the animation scale, you've been given figures there: 1 times, 5 times, 10 times. Just hope that, I suppose that 1 time is the normal scale of this thing. And going through the transition duration scale. This transition animation scale is for changing windows, so you can adjust that one and just see which time elapse suits you best. And after checking on that one, we're still gonna go on the build number so that you can customize your phone. What else we've got? We've got a debug CPU overdraw. So that one is not useful for an average user. And we've got this one, which is a stimulator color space. So if you want to adjust the color spacing of your settings and everything, you can just go into that. Remember guys, this one is just only for catering for the Android phones and Android tablets. If you like, then we go again and search on the menu. We just have to see the strict mode enabled, so you can still restrict or customize these settings for enabling strict mode, making it on or turning it off. Okay, let's just get down to some of these build number categories. And on the other one, they've got apps. So if you got apps on your Android and you just want to customize the settings of your apps on your Android phone, or it could be a tablet, you have this options. Don't keep activities, that one you can keep it on and off. Show all ANRS, that one you can also keep it on and off. And update the latest apps. So if you want to adjust and customize your Android to your liking, okay, this is the page that you're going to access. Then you go into your developer options button. It's where you get to choose how you customize your Android phone according to your liking. Now guys, I just found this thing of the developer option so interesting, because if ever you have your phone is giving you problems with the transition skills of changing windows, employing this thing, you're not gonna have problem, because you have got scaling of 2 to 4 or 0.5. And again, I suppose 0.5 is the quickest, so that you can easily change pages and windows when you're operating on your Android device. Now, I just thought that you find this useful, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and share my video guys. See you again on Sunday's top 10. Thank you for watching. Ciao.